like a cross without a Bible, like something better left unsaid. And children stop their games when I pass, dogs won't meet my eye, even mirrors hesitate like they're waiting for a lie. I'm the man they point at when they teach their son what happens when you choose the dark and don't turn back once. I'm the man they point at so they feel alive. Thank God it wasn't them, thank God it was mine. I didn't wake up wanting this, didn't sharpen any hate. I just crossed the line one night and stayed on the other side. It wasn't loud, it wasn't fast, no fire fell from grace, just a quiet final moment that rearranged my face. I'm the man they point at in the Sunday talk, proof that heaven keeps receipts for every careless walk. I'm the man they point at when the sermon ends, they leave lighter than they came. I carry what they send. They say evil comes like thunder, they're wrong, it comes like sleep. You don't notice when it takes you, you notice when it keeps. If God still counts the living, He don't count me twice. I already paid in full with the rest of my life. I'm the man they point at, and that's my only role. A marker on the road at night where good men lose control. When the dirt finally closes and my bones learn rest, they'll still point where I was and say, here, this is where it went left.
Hands that never sleep. City lights tried holding me down, but the road said, come with me. Corn reflects the purple sky, storms blowing somewhere near. Every mile turns into sound with the engine sings sincere. There's fire in the engine, lightning in my bones. I don't need a destination, and the road feels like home. Yeah, fire in the engine, hear it scream, hear it cry. If I slow down now, I might never touch the sky. I've seen kings fall off their thrones, the smoky balls, the tired eyes. I've seen prophets lose their faith, chasing comfort, chasing lies. My wheels don't pray for mercy, they spin in perfect doubt. rings true.
Like a warning, guitar cuts the air. It says, son, you'll burn yourself. I say I'm already there. Night opens like a heavy door. Stars fall into my lane. You where to feel, this ain't a look you try. You don't step in for adrenaline, you step in to decide. Every mile signs its name on muscle, bone, and breath. You don't flirt with this kind of life, you marry consequence. 1%, no excuses, no disguise, no safe uses. 1%, stand your ground. What you choose follows you around. I've seen men talk about respect like it's owed by sound, but silence weighs a hell of a lot when the room shuts down. Loyalty ain't loud or proud, it's boring, cold, and clean. It's showing up when nobody's left and doing what you mean. 1%, no forgiveness on demand or convenience. 1%, hold the line. You don't bend, you align. They think violence makes the code. The code is restrained. They think fear keeps order. Order is memory. If you need to explain yourself, you're already late. Stand! Own!
this road, no flags wave you through. You earn your name in quiet rooms with nothing left to prove. When the night starts asking questions, I don't look away. I already know the answers, I built them day by day. 1% till the end, no retreat, no amend. 1% heavy crown, you don't set it down, you carry it down. You carry it down. No building, no benches, no seal on the wall. Just gravel, cold wind, and a headlight glare. They didn't read charges, they didn't ask names. They laid out the facts and stepped back. Every mile I burned through, stood up in a line. Every shortcut I took raised its hand. The road past sentence, the road past sentence. No judge in a robe, just time with a spine. No jury to sway, just scars that align. I opened my mouth, but the night cut me off. Truth don't need language when it's already bought. The road past sentence, the road past sentence. You think judgment comes later. Later is a lie. Judgment rides with you, quiet, patient. I didn't beg, didn't kneel, didn't rewrite a thing. I stood where I stood, let the silence finish speaking. If punishment's living, then let it be clean. If freedom's a lie already seen. The road past sentence, the road past sentence, the road past sentence, the road past sentence. On the 7th mile I cut the lights, let the dark finish the verse. The sky was split like ancient cloth between the blessed and the cursed. I heard a voice in the cooling steel, not loud but hard to deny. It said, every road is judgment, every ride is a why. And I ride through signs and wonders, through the fire and the calm. Every mile reads me back like a song. Yeah, I ride through signs and wonders, no crown, no throne, no plea. If there's a God in the distance, He's riding ahead of me. I saw locust headlights on the hill, blinking red and gold. Saw cities kneel to comfort, saw brave men turn old. Water tasted like iron,
Bread felt innocent, I learned real fast what's written ain't always read by men. And I ride through signs and wonders, past mercy, past fear. The road don't need my prayers, it just keeps me clear. Yeah, I ride through signs and wonders, where the chosen don't speak, where silence weighs more than the strong or the weak. They asked me who I follow, I said the line. They asked me what I believed, I said time. If salvation's a destination, then damn it's far. But if it's the way you hold the bars, I'm already there. I passed a man with broken hands, still pointing at the sky. He said, son, the end is coming. I said, so am I. The moon turned pale like parchment, wind turned page by page. Every mile erased a name, every breath an age. And I ride through signs and wonders till the last seal breaks, when the road stops asking questions and just takes. Yeah, I ride through signs and wonders. If the end comes fast or slow, let it find me moving forward, not below. breaking dawn, when the clouds were split in two, thunder followed my back tire like it knew what I'd do. Town went quiet, doors went blind, windows learned to pray. They felt the ground start listening when I came their way. I'm a rider of the black wind, I don't knock, I arrive. When the storm needs direction, I'm the reason it drives. Yeah, rider of the black wind, hear the sky bend low. I don't chase the weather, I let it go. I've been branded by the long road, by heat and frozen rain. Every mile stripped another lie, every truth left a stain. Kings talk loud behind their walls, preachers talk in chains. But out here the storm decides who remains. I'm a rider of the black wind, born where silence roars. If the night wants an answer, I give it force. Yeah, rider of the black wind, let the lightning ride. My name in fire across the night. They warned me of the fire, said I lose my soul, but they never met a man who made peace with the cold. Stormbringer ain't a weapon, it's a vow you keep. You don't ride the thunder, you let it ride you deep. just trying to tell me what to think. No lawyer for a life I live, no witness but the road. I stand here wearing every mile I ever rode. No old pill, no delay. You don't act with what you paid. No old pillow, no return. Verdict what you did, what you earned. Judge got eyes like winter steel. Clerk don't blink or breathe. They stack my nights in neat little piles, call it history. I don't plead, I don't explain, I don't clean the past. Truth don't need a witness stand, it hits fast. No appeal, no defense, every choice is evidence. No appeal, no amends, this ain't loud, it's hit dead. No appeal, no offense, every choice is evidence. No appeal, no amends, this ain't low, this is end. They think justice wears a robe, justice wears time. They think mercy is a word, mercy is restraint. You don't beat the court of consequence, you stand in it. Stand and own it. I've seen clean hands beg for air, I've seen loud men fold. I keep mine steady on the rail, let the record hold. If guilt's a weight, I lift it straight. If truth cuts, I don't flinch. I don't ask for a lighter sentence, I clinch. No, I'll